to my channel. I'm Michelle. Long time no see. Hopefully today when you see this video, you are doing good. I hope all is well with you guys. I know it's been a long time and I haven't been very active on social media. Kind of taking a break, hanging out with the family. We're doing good and I missed you guys. So today I'm gonna do a video that has been long overdue of this beauty. And this is whooooole showing off. I'm gonna show you the wave pattern. It's so pretty. TLW 200, a nice, really pretty water wave-ish kind of wig. And since I normally pre-pluck and cut the lace off and glue my head down, I decided that I wasn't gonna do that this time. This time I'm going to put on this wig totally glueless application. Since it's been a while since I've worn wigs, I stopped really, doing the stocking cap method where I use so much Eco Style gel on my natural hair, and then I use Got to Be glued, and then I used the spray Got to Be glued, that I really started seeing that there were some issues with my hairline. And my hairline is already kind of wonky anyway, so it didn't need any help. So I stopped and my hairline just came back like that. So I was like, let me go ahead and go back to glueless, because I used to only do glueless on this channel. So I had gotten away from that, and I'm going to see if I still remember how to do it. It might look crazy, y'all. So here is the inside of the cap. She's got, what's going on? So this particular cap construction has 2 temple combs and 1 comb, what's going on? 1 comb in the back. And then of course there is this stretchy adjustable strap on the inside for extra security so your wig doesn't go flying off your head. I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap now. Had a whole deep conditioning session and then I plaited it up into 4 plaits. So there we go. I got 1, 2 right here, then 2 in the back. Sorry I keep looking over there. It's been a long time, so I'm trying to get used to filming again. Hold on, let me try it without the inside strap first. Let's see how this goes. I braided my hair down pretty flat, so I shouldn't have any problems, but let's see. I can already tell she is judging. Don't look at me like that. Whooooole gave me a look, y'all. All right, so I'm going to just get some foundation and color in my stocking cap up here, and then I'm gonna hit the lace with a little bit of foundation too before I cut the wig. Okay, these lashes are ridiculous. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the back so it's a little bit more snug, but generally it feels pretty good. Nice and comfortable. All right, so now I'm gonna cut the lace. Okay, so the lace has all been cut, so I'm gonna go ahead and plop her on my head. Oh man, I really do not remember how to do this. It's been so long since I wore a glueless wig. Okay, she's on. Not secured yet because I haven't engaged the combs, but all right now. So now this is the style that the wig came in, kind of like just a simple part. But I can already see that's not gonna work for me. So we're gonna have to spruce it up somehow. So let me go ahead and engage these combs so I can have some security. So I guess I will go ahead. I don't know if I like, obviously I like the volume of this particular curl pattern, but it just looks a little dull to me. So I'm gonna first see what it looks like with a little bit of water. And then we're gonna see if I can go ahead and spruce this part up a little bit so it's a little bit more customized to my face. And because today we are wearing a glueless, I don't think I'm gonna deal with the baby hair situation because Lord knows I'm not good at it anyway. And it's just, so I got my water and I'm just gonna lightly spritz it. Oh, see? What's in this water? It smells so good. Sometimes I add a little bit of essential oils to my water. And I'm must have done that because it smells heavenly. What you thinking? This side, this side, this side, this side. I'm thinking this side. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and define this part a little differently because I do like this swoop thing going on, but you just need a little bit more drama, child. Tame those flyaways for a rainy day. Because it's really rainy today. How was you guys' Thanksgiving? I didn't even think. Oh my gosh. Our Thanksgiving was pretty low key. I cooked about half the amount that I normally cook and we're already out of leftovers and I'm sad. I'm sad about it. Because it's not until you're out of leftovers that you realize, you know what tastes really good right now? The thing that I got sick of eating 2 days ago. Ooh, drama. I don't like it though, but okay. So I'm not to put too much up here near the crown because I really do like that lip. But see how much prettier that curl pattern has popped out? That's gorgeous. I love it. Like my shirt? Shit's Creek, man. You gotta get on it. Ew, David. All right, around the world. See what this looks like. See what it looks like from the back and the front. Gorgeous. So there you go. See how completely low maintenance that was? You cut the lace, you stick it on your head, you put the combs in, and you look like $1,000,000. None of this glue, none of these. Oh my gosh. Do you know how long I would have to wait when I was doing the stocking cap method to actually have the stocking cap portion dry before I could actually do, like, it was too much. Too much. We living in 2020. Let's try to make the things that can be simple, blur. More simple. Grammar. It's been a long couple months. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will give you more information on the description of the wig that I am wearing. If anybody wants to know why or how long my lashes are, I promise you I will measure them because they're actually crazy ridiculous. Anything that you have any questions about what I'm wearing, my foundation, I'll put in the links below and I will answer questions if you ask me them. Love you guys. I know it's been a long time. We can get through it. Almost. We're almost there. It's December. We're so close. We are so close. Okay. All right, love you guys. Bye. Bye.
Feeling good today.